What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Oregon Out. Today we're continuing the Waterfall Creek hike. We're not at the bridge quite yet, but this is because we're going to start here at the nice waterfall slide. Ooh, fun. Just like yesterday, it's a partly sunny day. We got some dark clouds in here. It is quite a bit cooler today though, so don't think we'll be seeing anyone else do this today. But it's going to be a fun day, starting off with a waterfall slide. Second day in a row on a waterfall slide. Woo! Woo! It's cold out here today. So this one up here doesn't really have enough flow, as it just pushes you straight for that bump, which kind of hurts a little. So we're gonna go do the lower one now. Is that, yeah, it's not as slick. Alright, so here we are, back at the bridge. It's the next day actually, because it kind of got cold yesterday after the swim. It's been a rainy day. It's supposed to be a pretty rainy day, but we got a nice waterfall hike. I came down it, and I don't think we're going to see as many as down below because the trail doesn't follow it as well, the creek as well, but it'll still be a fun hike with some beautiful waterfalls. Off we go. Look at this cave back over here. It's pretty cool. Then we got the waterfall out there, of course. Osprey, Osprey. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this beautiful one right here. All the terraces. Alright, so here we are at the upper falls. It's a very beautiful double falls. So right here we got the last waterfall along this creek. We have finally completed the third section of the hike. Still have to do the first section. But we have made it now to the lake. Alright, so here we are at the lower viewpoint of the falls.
Goodbye.
Viewpoint of the falls. So thanks for watching, and see you next week on Oregon. Out!